3 individual sensors, optical, heat, and carbon monoxide, combined in one alarm for the ultimate fire and CO response. Introducing the EI3030, the next evolution in home life safety. Maximizing coverage, whilst making installation simpler, easier and future-proof with the Easy Fit base. With all the innovative features of the technologically advanced 3000 series. And fully compatible with the HomeLink connected home solution. The EI3030 multi-sensor fire and carbon monoxide alarm is available to order now. Safety first. Aico first.